her valuable contribution as a lecturer for the Civil Service Examination Review Class Knowledge Enrichment Sessions held on July 2025 for the DSWD Field Office Mimaropa personnel, given this 31st of July at the DSWD Mimaropa Regional Office, Malate, Manila, signed by the Regional Director Leonardo C. Reynoso, CESA3. So, Ma'am Christine, thank you so much again. And usap na lang po tayo later, no, for our arrangement. So, we've heard good feedback about you po, no, doon sa ating mga passers nung mga naka-attend na reviews last time. Kaya we opted to engage you again this time. And yun din yung hope natin for our reviews this afternoon and nung mga nakaraan na sana everyone will be able to pass their CSC examination. Makakatulong yun with their eligibility journey at makasecure ng better opportunities dito sa aming office. Thank you again, Ma'am Christine. And for everyone, thank you din for your time for joining. Sana marami tayong nakuhang takeaways and new learnings from Ma'am Christine para magamit natin dun sa ating upcoming exam this coming August. So, yung recording nito, hintayin lang namin siya ma-process and then include namin siya doon sa drive na initially na-share namin sa inyo for reference. So, that would be all. So, before we let you go, baka pwede lang tayong makapag-capture ng class photo for this session. Ayan, kindly turn your cameras on and I will be capturing it. So, pasuyo na lang kung pa-open ng camera for the class picture. Ayan, so mukhang marami naman lang naka-open. I will be capturing this picture in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so nakuha na natin yung photo and again, we will send an advisory na lang po para ma-resend or ma-provide sa inyo yung link natin for the recordings and other materials na ipaprovide sa atin ni Ma'am Christine. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.